The ATOTO AC-HD Ultra-Car stereo boasts a powerful ARM Cortex Octa-Core processor that ensures high performance with low power consumption, thanks to its 12-nanometer manufacturing process. With its dual Bluetooth feature, the stereo supports multi-connections, allowing wireless music streaming with exceptional sound quality using the Qualcomm aptX HD codec. The stereo's compatibility with the ATOTO AC-HD03LR camera offers a virtual surround view and live rear view, enhancing safety and visibility while driving. Its intuitive gesture control feature allows users to manage functions like track skipping and volume adjustment effortlessly, adding convenience to its use. The universal double-DIN mounting style ensures compatibility with most dash kits, providing a seamless integration into your vehicle's dashboard. ATOTO's exclusive GPS tracking app, TrackU, offers real-time tracking with geofence alerts, ensuring your vehicle's safety and providing peace of mind.